In the world's most populated country's vibrant heart, unintended pregnancies are a silent crisis, tied to inadequate family planning and reproductive health awareness. This aligns with UN SDG 3, particularly Target 3.7, which aims to improve access to reproductive health services. The issue of unintended pregnancies inspired our CAS project, Project Hifazat, aimed at ensuring life's creation in India is a result of love and readiness rather than a lack of knowledge and choice. Project Hifazat thus focuses on increasing reproductive health awareness and reducing unintended pregnancies in rural areas where access to information about reproductive health and services is limited. Initially, we employed the SMART goal framework to define our objectives, aligning with the SDG Target 3.7. Our plan involved providing family planning consultations in the form of a health camp to people in rural areas. We identified key resources that we needed: a qualified gynecologist for the consultations, local volunteers to bridge the gap within the community, and sufficient funding for setting up the health camps. Additionally, a dedicated student team was essential for organizing fundraising activities. Resource acquisition was the next step. We collaborated with Dr. Alka Gupta and the Laksh Foundation, which works across 7 villages in the Mangar district. This partnership leveraged their volunteer network for community mobilization. After discussion with the doctor, we realized that the issue of sexually transmitted diseases caused by lack of contraception usage awareness was also very prevalent in rural areas. As the UN SDG Target 3.3 aims to eradicate communicable diseases, we incorporated STD screening into our project outcome. Next, through a successful bake sale, we raised $600, enabling us to execute the health camp in Mangar district, where we provided STD screenings and consultations to over 60 individuals from 7 villages, using attendance as a measure of impact. However, facing low camp attendance due to reproductive health stigmas, we adapted our approach. Since the rural population did not respond well to us discussing topics such as STDs and contraception in a public setting, we began to develop a reproductive health chatbot, which provides anonymous, accessible information in local languages without the user having to discuss their concerns in public. Insights from Laksh volunteers were instrumental in shaping the chatbot's content. Furthermore, we were also granted $1,800 to scale up our project with more health camps as winners of the Harvard MUN's Impact Initiative. As the SDG Target 3.7 was aimed at all ages, we tackled the knowledge gap among Laksh Foundation's local tutors. We're crafting a sex education syllabus for them, empowering informed discussions with teenage students in their classes. Additionally, we broadened our scope to SDG Target 3.8, focusing on vaccinations. In a subsequent health camp, we administered cervical cancer vaccines to 14 volunteers and conducted STD screening for 110 individuals, marking more attendance than the first camp. Our diverse student team of 22 collaboratively works in teams on writing content for the syllabus, developing the chatbot, or raising and allocating funds. Having impacted 200 individuals' reproductive health and raised awareness among 14,000 people online, we're now focused on scaling up our efforts. Using the SMART goals framework again, we've set clear future goals, ensuring effective timeline management and fund allocation. Our detailed plans for the next phase will be displayed on the screen.